In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Wix chat app with our live chat setup guide. This walkthrough is perfect for anyone looking to add a real-time communication feature to their Wix website, helping you engage more effectively with your visitors. We'll break down the process into simple steps, making it easy to follow even if you're new to using Wix. To get started, we need to access the Wix website editor. You can do this by logging into your Wix account and navigating to the site you want to edit. Once you're logged in, look for the site you wish to modify and select it to enter the Wix editor. The editor provides a user-friendly interface, allowing you to customize your site effortlessly. Being familiar with this tool will make the installation process smoother, so take a moment to explore its layout if you're not already accustomed to it. Next, we're going to add an app to your site. Locate the Add Apps button within the editor interface. Usually, it's found on the left-hand side of your screen in the menu. Clicking on it will open up the Wix App Market where you can find various apps to enhance your site's functionality. The App Market is like an app store specifically designed for Wix users, offering a comprehensive range of tools that can help you create a more interactive and professional website. With the App Market open, the next step is to search for the Wix Chat app. In the search bar, simply type in Wix Chat. The search function is intuitive and should quickly bring up the app we're looking for. Wix Chat is designed to let you provide live customer support without leaving the confines of your website. It's an essential tool for creating seamless communication with your audience. Once you've found Wix Chat in the search results, go ahead and click on it. This will bring up more details about the app, explaining how it works and what features it offers. It's good to familiarize yourself with this information so you can maximize the app's capabilities. Here, you'll also find a summary of features, which include real-time chatting and the ability to track visitors on your site. Now, to install the app, find and click on Add to Site. This button is usually displayed directly below the app's description. Clicking it will initiate the installation process, and you'll receive prompts to complete the setup. Follow any instructions that appear to finalize the addition of Wix Chat to your site. The process is straightforward, and Wix provides a helpful on-screen guide during these steps. Once the app is installed, you'll notice that a chat feature is now integrated into your site. It's now easier than ever to start interacting with your site visitors in real time, answering their queries, and providing them with a more engaging experience. By following these steps, you've successfully added a valuable tool that can enhance the communication dynamics on your site. Enjoy exploring the possibilities that the Wix Chat app opens up for you and your users.